All right, so in this section we are going to going to install the Palo Alto in the ESXi. So first I will access the ESXi, that is 150.1.168. That is my ESXi. Log in into your ESXi. Once you have logged in, now I will be using the OVA file. So what I will do, I will just click on the virtual machine, right click, or otherwise you can just say click or create or register VM over here, or click on virtual machine, select over here create or register VM. So select that one. So I'm using the OVA file, so I will select the OVA, click on next, and I will select the OVA file which I have downloaded, click on open, and after that I will give a name, Palo Alto maybe one, click on next. I will select the data store where I want to install it, and now automatically it is using one network adapter, so I will not turn it on after installation. So once that is being installed, it will power on the Palo Alto, which I don't want. And the provision type, I will select the thin provision type because I don't want to utilize the whole hard disk. I just don't want to reserve the whole hard disk which is required for the Palo Alto. I will just select the thin because as we required, we can keep on expanding that hard disk. Click on next and click on finish. And at the bottom, you can see that it is now going to install your Palo Alto. But this might take a little bit of time, maybe 2 to 5 minutes, and after that, it will you are able to edit the settings of your Palo Alto. All right, so my OVA file is being imported into the ESXi. Now click on that option, click on edit, and now you see that 1, 2, and 3, only 3 adapters are attached to this one, and it is using 2 virtual CPUs and 5.5 GB of RAM. So I will say 6 GB. So you see that it is using 60 GB of. If I did not select the thin provision, then it will dedicate whole 60 GB to the Palo Alto. Now again, we 1, 2, and 3. So 3 adapters are very low. So what I will do, I will add up to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So once the 10 adapters are added, I will select the proper networking for them. And my resources are set to 2 virtual CPUs and 6 GB RAM. Click on save and start the virtual machine now. So if you want to stop the auto boot, we will hit any key. So I don't think we need to do that one. So yeah. So again, it will take another 10 minutes to boot up completely. And after that, we are ready to configure the virtual machine. So this is how you are going to install the Palo Alto in the ESXi. I hope this was informative for you and thank you.